Coast Guard, actually, naka-distribute naman po yung mga substations namin. Equip po ito ng aluminum boats, and in tandem with the local government units, we have directed them to look after the anti-illegal campaign of the local government units. For the passengers, whenever they board the Roro vessels dito sa May West, basically yung Roro.
Pero ano sir, kumusta yung status?
Ano lang muna, pwede nilang hawakan. But not necessarily when they are on board.
Pero may compliance naman with the parts of owners.
Yung po ang intention is to have it worn by the passengers whenever they board the Roro vessel.
Advisory, it's in Baliti Bay, particularly. So Baliti Bay po yung red tide na